10 minutes later, I held this on here to check it, and I had to shave this back just a little bit towards the bottom, and it took a little bit of doing, but I could get it. Okay, it's easiest within the first 10-15 minutes, but after another 10 minutes after that, I still could do it. You know, I had to work on it a little bit, and it shaved down right where it was supposed to be. Okay, I'm gonna try this again, and you're gonna see that I really didn't get lucky the first time. We've got that patch to do right in there. Good Lord. Nice guys who built this, and then they left it. Oh well, somebody else will fix it. Yeah. Okay. We'll get our shipping tape out. You could use masking tape too, but I don't have much masking tape. I figured I could do most everything with my shipping tape. I've used this for all kinds of stuff. It's not even really sticking too well, but you know, masking tape will work too. Okay. I guess that can go under. Okay. That can go under like that. And it just so happens that this block will work for over here too. The same block. That's why I couldn't do it with that other one, because I only had one of these blocks. I had to cut this block 1 1/8 wide, and then 5/8 thick. Figure that one out. Did that with my skill saw. First gotta, I think it was that way. We'll do a dry run here. Yeah, it was that way. And this one is kind of at an angle. This right hand side is a little bit low, so I'm just gonna have to go from point to point. And so spray a little WD-40 on there so that my patch material will slide right off. Okay, I guess that'll work. Mix me up some more. And this one's in the sun, so when it's in the sun, it's kind of hot out. Not in the shade. And it happens to dry a little bit faster. Well, especially your second coat will. You turn around, you think, oh, I'll do something else. And then you find out, holy crap, it's ready to be scraped. Just a little water at a time. You'll find out why. You'll put some in. Oh yeah, it needs quite a bit more. And you pour it in, all of a sudden it's all soupy. But if it does get soupy, you can just add some more rock hard paste, wood putty, to make some more paste. Okay. Put your cap back on your water so you don't knock it over. I've done that too, many a time. Many. keep my wood water putty in the shade while I do this. Pack it in there. When you think you have enough in there, put some more. Don't be afraid. Pack it in there. Okay? I want to make sure it gets all the way back in there. And it looks like it's in there now. That's it. That last little drag, put a mark in it. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right like that. It's almost flush, but I'm gonna shave a little bit of it down with this and my little screwdriver after that dries. And it's not gonna take very long. Not very long at all. Hey. Where's my other knife? Oh, it's underneath the camera. Good place to put my excess, because I've got to fill this whole thing up all along here anyways. So this will just be adding as the backing for it. That stuff's almost dry. Okay, there. All right, good enough. Now this patch isn't ready just this minute. I'm going to give it tick-tock 3 or 4 more minutes is all. But it's all ready. I think I'm going to just leave it alone. I'm not going to mess with it at all. I'm just going to give it a few more minutes. And then we'll come back to this patch. Dun 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 dun. Well, it's been about 3 minutes or so. Just enough time for me to clean off my putty knives and my sheetrock pan. Hey, you're gonna have to kind of scrape out your pan every now and again. Alright, that's just no two ways about it. Let's just check this. Feels pretty good. Okay. Yeah.